What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of ConexCulture. I'm your host, Connex Mike. Today we are in the beautiful Reno, Nevada, right on the Truckee River, and we're going to check out a place called the Eddy. It's a beautiful container park here in the city. I can't wait to show it to you guys. I've been so excited to check this place out, and I'm finally here. We got the bar. Oh, look, we got some cornhole, maybe a celebrity shot. Oh, that was close. But as you can see, they have a beautiful art here. And this place actually really prides themselves on being really friendly to the artist community. So you can see there's murals here. They even have sculptures from Burning Man. So definitely come by, check it out. If you're not into drinking, you're not into games, and you're not into food, I don't know what you're into, but you have to check out the art. Well, thanks for having us, man.
Of course.
Yeah, this place is absolutely beautiful. Just got here, excited to check it out. Guys, this is the main man here, the general manager. Please introduce yourself.
My name's Jared, and thanks for coming.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Can I introduce you to a great cocktail beer?
Of course. What do you got here for us?
This is a brand new cider we out.
A brand new cider. Let's do it. Let's do a cheers, just because.
Appreciate it.
It's always good to be welcomed with a beer. Well, man, yeah, dude, Jared, thank you so much for having us. This place is actually amazing. And I love all the artwork. Right behind us, this piece is from Burning Man, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and you guys have a lot of pieces from Burning Man, and I'll be sure to show you guys all those different pieces. But tell me a little bit about the food you guys got going on here.
So right now we have pizza right here. It's wood oven pizza, just made locally. Everything is organic from here. And we're very excited to have this one this year.
Yeah.
Right here we have a taco truck. Everyone claims it's the best taco truck in Nevada, and I personally agree.
But right now we're kind of in the epicenter of all of the Eddy, wouldn't you say?
I would say the epicenter is right here. You can see everything from right here. We got the bocce ball, we got the cornhole, we got the majority of the seating over here. You got access to every bar. You got a beautiful view of downtown.
Yeah, it's actually amazing. And if you guys don't know, the Eddy is actually called the Eddy because of the eddy current, like when you're on a river, kayaking or whatever. So the idea is you kind of get lost inside of it, right?
It's where you congregate on the river.
I was just talking to the owner, and he was breaking it down for me, and that's such good stuff. I'm making my way to the first open bar that we see. Like I mentioned, there's 3 of them. And right behind me, I have the beautiful Liz, and she's gonna be teaching me how to make one of their signature cocktails. So come with me, let's check it out. All right, Liz, I'm excited. What cocktail do you got me doing today?
Today we're gonna be making the peach ring.
The peach ring, that sounds really good.
You excited?
I am excited, let's go.
All right, so we're gonna start with the Deep Eddy Peach Vodka.
Ooh.
We're gonna do 1.5 ounces, so 1 shot of that. That's you.
Just fill it up all the way?
Yeah.
There we go. The measurements that she said. 1/2 ounce of lime juice, baby. Oops.
Oh yeah.
1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Look at that. Making cocktails in Reno, Nevada, baby.
Of simple syrup.
1/2 ounce of some simple syrup, AKA some sugar water.
Sugar.
Boom.
Right.
Look at that.
Perfect.
The Eddy. The way the temperature gets here in Reno sometimes, you need one of these to freshen you up. It's sweet, sour. You get just enough tang of that alcohol. I mean, it's amazing. Liz, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You're an absolute gem. So, what do you think about working inside of a container, being around containers all day? What do you think to other people who want to open up a business using shipping containers? Just like, what are your thoughts about the container life, or the ConexCulture, as I call it?
I would say 9 years ago when I got propositioned to open this place and be the GM here, they proposed this container concept, and I was telling myself, I was like, I love the concept. It's outside. We're gonna just do these things the way they pictured it. And I had no idea really what it could be possibly. And I Googled a little bit, and I honestly, after Googling, this still blew my mind after what I saw.
Yeah, because I heard you guys put this up in only 3.5 weeks.
Yes,
So-
it didn't take long. But the concept before definitely took a while.
But that's what I always tell people working with shipping containers is you can do so much work offsite that once you get it on site,
It takes a little bit more.
It just takes a little bit more work, but it's done. And you're not sitting there building for a year or for 2 years. You're just boom, ready to go, ready to start making money for your business.
Yeah, we attached these doors on and opened them up about
So
a
did you
month
guys do
later.
most of the work yourself?
Yes, we did. We
Yeah?
did all the work ourselves.
Oh, really?
Everything
Yeah.
was all centered
That's amazing.
just around us, and we were lucky to be able to do that.
I was going to ask you how long you've been working here, but you just said you've been here pretty much from the start, right?
I've been here from a year from the day we opened.
I also love all the art and how you guys are so welcoming to different artists. And I'm sure they'll show it in the B-roll, but all this art was actually done by the owner's mom and dad.
Yes, Phil Buckhart and Elisa Buckhart.
Letting us check out your bar. So I got to ask, what's it like working in this type of establishment inside of a shipping container?
It's so fun. The people are fun. The coworkers are amazing. The weather is awesome. There's dogs, pizza, alcohol. What more could you want? I tell people they have to come. No question.
Mm-hmm.
I say it's fun. It has something for everyone. Families, younger people, anyone. We welcome kids. This is something for everyone, which is great.
Before 7 p.m., kids are welcome, guys. So if you're here with your family, bring your family.
Games, music, drinks, food, everything.
Cool. Well, thank you so much, Liz. You're an absolute blast.
Thank you.
And that's how you make a
Peach ring.
peach ring, baby. Thank you, Liz. Rusta, welcome to Eddy Pizza Co. Can I take your order? Never mind, you're getting a blazing glaze. Guys, I got the blazing glaze here from the Eddy Pizza Co. It's actually a pizza company owned by Eddy, so the quality is absolutely top notch. Now, let me show you my bellissimo pizza skills, how I throw this bad boy in the oven. Ooh, natural. Absolutely natural. We're gonna let this thing cook. I'm gonna let the professionals take care of it from here, and then I'll be pulling it out for you guys. Can't wait to try it. So I'm obviously making this pizza for myself, and you're supposed to put honey on. I don't know if you do it before you cut it or after, but here we go. Oh yeah. Absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Pizza review time. This thing looks absolutely amazing. That is amazing. The crust is so crispy, so thin. That little honey at the end is just perfect. The spice from the peppers comes in through that sweetness. You guys gotta come here and try it. So we know the tacos are good, we know the pizza is good, we know the drinks are good. I can't think of a single reason or excuse why you're not here yet.
We love having the local muralists be here, and we've done some here, we've done some there, we've done some over there, we've done some over there, and some of them are world-renowned artists, actually.
Really?
Based out of Reno, but we wanted to incorporate them here specifically,
Yeah,
and we
man.
targeted that.
Yeah, that's absolutely amazing. Me and the crew, we're gonna get busy trying drinks, getting closer details of everything, looking at everything around. But Jared, I can't say enough how thankful I am for you having us here.
Pleasure.
Cheers, this side is
Thank you.
absolutely amazing. And we'll see Jared on the way out. But this is Jared, the general manager. If you're
Cheers,
ever here
guys.
at the Eddy, make sure you come by, say what's up. Maybe buy him a drink. Thank you. All right, guys, welcome to the walk-in. This is actually where they keep the refrigeration. I'm sure you guys have seen some of our reefers, and they have the big wall, but this is a lot more economical way and just a kind of better way of doing it for the application that they have here. Here goes all the lines, the kegs, the beers. It has been a really hot day, so being inside this cooler feels absolutely amazing to me. I'm just glad I got to check it out. I knew it was beautiful behind the scenes, but not this beautiful. Let's get out of here. Oh, hey, thanks a lot, man. So right behind me is one of the 3 bar containers that are here. And we've all seen that nightmare where there's a big place, a lot of people, and only 1 bar. Where there's 3 here, it's spread out. It makes serving a lot of people really efficient. I've been here pretty much all day and all night. I haven't seen anybody waiting, haven't seen any long lines. So these guys are really pumping it out, really getting it done. If you do stop by, do not forget to check out their signature cocktails. You saw me make one earlier, so now it's time for you guys to come on in and try your own. From what I've heard, they're all amazing. All the ones I tried, I liked. So come on by, grab yourself a drink from a shipping container, and join the ConexCulture, baby. You guys know I had to show you the bathroom. I also love this little water fountain feature. The bathroom is a 40-foot standard container. It's got some good ventilation. They're immaculate inside. It's clean. It's all modern plumbing. So, you know, if you're drinking the good beer that they have here, you're definitely going to have to make a pit stop here, or maybe a piss stop as they call it. But yeah, and it's also everywhere you look in this place is covered in murals. Even over here, when you walk out of the bathroom, it's got a little Pink Floyd-esque vibe. So I hope you guys enjoy. So what's up, guys? I found this absolutely beautiful couple here at the Eddy. They've been here before, and let's talk to them. Let's see what's up. So please introduce yourself, guys.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Hart.
So you guys have definitely been here before, right? Based on what we said.
Yeah, my second time here. He's local, born and raised.
How long you been coming here, bro?
I've been coming here about 5-6 years, and I love this place. You don't find many outside bars like this where you can find just a chill, warm vibe. It's the beginning of May, mid-May, and this is the spot. I'm telling you, this is awesome.
Well, it's like I work with shipping containers all day, every day, you know, so I'm inside these things, I'm outside these things. But do you think it adds something to a bar when it has the shipping container aesthetic? Do you think it takes away? Like, what's your take on that?
When I first saw it, I was like, this is very unique. I've never seen shipping container bars before, but I love it. I think it's very original. I've never seen it, and I think it fits Reno very well.
We're just talking about it today, how warm it is inside. Outside was a little too cold today, too windy, but when we got in, it was actually really warm. So it's a nice mix of both.
This bar, it actually closes from the famous Santa run up until St. Patrick's Day. This bar is closed for the weather. So if you are going to come to Reno and enjoy it, make sure it's from March to December. I think that's something I forgot to mention earlier in my little tour. If you were to describe this bar to somebody who's never been here, how would you describe it, Anna?
A very social place, very outdoorsy, and very fun to be in. It's just a vibe.
A vibe. I think you said that just how it should be. It's a vibe. It's, again, there's no other bar in Reno where you can be outside during the day, chatting it up with people, having a good time, playing games, being in the sun. It's a special place in Reno.
And dog friendly.
And dog friendly.
Yeah.
Yeah, this place is very, very dog friendly. And so out of everything here, the drinks, the games, the vibe, the everything, the art, what's your favorite thing? If you could you have to pick one, you can't say all. You just have to pick one.
I would say the energy. The people's energy who are coming in here is just very friendly, to have fun, to enjoy the weather, enjoy the social part of life, I guess. Yeah,
totally.
so people and energy.
Thank you so much. Cheers.
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 Here's to the Eddy. Thank you guys so much for the interview. All right, guys, we've been here at the Eddy for the better part of the day. We're about to wrap it up. But I just want to show you guys that this is a perfect example of perseverance. When the owners wanted to create this place in the middle of Reno, the neighbors were skeptical. There was a lot of skepticism in the government, but they pushed through, they made it happen, and they created one of the best vibes I've seen in the heart of Reno, where art meets, where music meets, community meets, games, alcohol, good food. You just couldn't ask for anything more. And it's right in the heart of Reno, and it's just a beautiful place with beautiful people. So for me and my whole crew, thank you so much, everybody at the Eddy. From ConexCulture, this is Connex Mike. I'm out. See you in the next episode.